rolling, Todd. Look at that. That is impressive. G'day, it's Jeff from Jeff's Tools. I'm just going to take you over our hardwood mill, the improvements we've made to it over the years. One of the improvements we've done is these levelling leg systems, which is just basically a threaded bolt onto a plate. You can move the mill up and down. You can see all the way along on both sides those systems. You just come up this way. Okay, I'll just take you over. These do have, and they have had for a long time, the 14 horsepower Kohler motor on them. This is our new sight glass height adjustment for timber height, so you can measure your timber as you can see as the mill. I'll just show you as the mill rises and falls. You can see the arrow. So say you want, say, 2 inches, okay, wind it down a bit and lock it off there, and on the other side, and that's your height. And of course, some of the older features we've had on the mill, which is the track sweep system. They keep your dirt out. I'm just going to show you just locking the log off. Just going to show you the dog system. So basically, you've got these two, or you could run multiples on this mill by locking this bit of wood in place, the dogs, and then if you come around this side, it's essentially like a vise. You'll see the dogs in place. Now we do have taller dogs. You get all of these standard with the mill, larger dogs. So when you're setting up the mill, you can use larger dogs for larger or more straighter bits of timber on the side to get it square. Now this is what you get when you order the mill. The mill comes in 3 sections. The bed comes in 3 sections. So you've got, that's one section there being at 2 metres, another section here, and another section here, and they break up. Some people only run these at 4 metres, but what you